Hi, in this video we can see how to take the reference by using the EndNote. So for that I will open MS Word. So open empty file. So I am again open the Google. So here I can search Google Scholar. So which topic do you want? Then I will select this one, and here so I need to take the reference from here to here, mean Google Scholar to MS Word. So then click here, we can see two inverted commas, click there, and we can see the EndNote here. Click the EndNote and it will be download like this. Then open this file and it show in the folder. Click then here we can open again. For this we need to download the EndNote and install our system. So it's opening. So once it open like this, then click this one and you can see inverted commas here. So just click this inverted commas, it will become directly on your MS Word pad. So here, see, here it will become. So this is how we can take the reference from using the EndNote. Thank you for watching this video.